Namaskar viewers, my name is Deepak Juneja and I am working as Assistant Professor and Head of Department Mechanical Engineering Department, Geeta Engineering College, Panipat. Today I am here to brief you little about our college and more about our department. So as far as our institute is concerned, that is Geeta Engineering College, it's the only NAAC accredited engineering college in this region. And as far as my department, that is mechanical department, is concerned, I feel like it's more like family, because the persons are all the staff members working here since years. I'm working here since last 12 years, and there are many other faculties who are working since the same time, and some little lesser, some little more. So it's more like a family, and even the student feels so. Why? Because the teachers here are not the teachers, they are the mentors. They provide some kind of harness to the students so that the student feel here like family. And the major strength of our department is its pedagogy, which revolve around three major parameters. The first major parameter is the curricular activities, that is related to the syllabus. Now for curricular, what is the most important thing, let me tell you. The first part is the infrastructure and the facilities we are having. The labs we are having, that is state of art, fully equipped model labs. And the classrooms, in all the classrooms are ICT enabled, where with the latest technology we are able to teach student like you, that is similar to you are watching a program on Discovery Channel. What else could I say? Then the teacher who is delivering that content, who that teacher is, those are highly experienced teacher. Likewise, I will say that I am blessed in this department, that I am having three professors. One is Dr. Saurabh Gupta ji, who is PhD from NIT Kurukshetra. Then one is Dr. Abhay, who is having more than 32 years of experience in field of mechanical engineering. Another is Dr. Gupta, who is again PhD from NIT Kurukshetra, is having vast experience. Similarly, the other teachers are also having very good experience. The second part of our pedagogy, where we find that we are the most proficient, is the co-curricular activities. Now, what is the difference between curricular and co-curricular? Curricular is basically syllabus delivery, whereas co-curricular are those activities which provide enrichment to that curriculum. So what are those activities? आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा that in engineering your knowledge must not be theoretical, it must be practical. So how do we are providing practical knowledge? That is through co-curricular activities. Like what we are having add-on courses like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, 3D printing. Now what other things we do, our students go to the most institutes of national repute, they get the exposure. Like one of our student group won one competition in, that is national level competition at IIT Delhi. They won one competition. Then another, they presented the institute in IIT Ropar at Rocket Battle. Then our students won second position at a debate competition at NIT Kurukshetra. They participated in Smart India Hackathon. Then one more thing is there, like they went to Chhatra Vishwakarma Award, that is organized by AICTE. So these are the co-curricular activities. Research and development facilities, our students write papers, write on this student's notebook. What we are having is 2 patents we are having. We have published more than 150 number of research papers. Then we have in our book, we are having 32 FDPs, development programs. So these are the things which make our course rich. So these are the co-curricular activities. So our students and the would-be students, so this is our co-curricular activities which provide a sort of enrichment to our curriculum. So now I am coming to the third major pillar of our pedagogy. What that is extracurricular activities. Now curricular and co-curricular activities had made our student proficient in, you may say, technically. Now the third part is extracurricular activities, which provide, the right kind of personality and the right kind of soft skills with which the student can compete in today's world, today's industry scenario, where you are having cutthroat competition. So what are those extracurricular activities? Like the college, the institute, on regular basis, different cultural programs are organized. Then different sports activities are organized, where all the students go on different platforms. There are different type of competition, and they remove their hesitation there. They feel confident, and above all, we are having a soft skill training program. And another name of this program is employability skills. What we teach in this program, the student who is going to the industry, he must be fluent in English, then he must be confident, he must have leadership skills. So those are the things which are being covered in these soft skill training programs. So here I would like to summarize our pedagogy, that is based on 3 pillars. The first pillar I told you is the curricular, the second pillar is co-curricular, then the third pillar we are having is extracurricular. So this pedagogy work on 360 degree around the student, which make our student competent enough to go into the industry, to challenge the work environments there, to obtain, to achieve his goals, and to reach on the top positions on that industry. So the outcome of which is that today our alumni, our students which passed out from different batches, they are working on top positions in the MNCs. Like one student I can quote Kapil Rawal, that is head of this Eastern India region for TAFE Limited. TAFE, you might have heard, that is John Deere tractors. And then there are many students who have given their own startups. Likewise, one of my student is there, Ankur, who has started a company some 3 years back in name of Amraka. Then another student is Gurpreet, who is having who has started a company, and that he has made a very successful venture, in name of Maita. He has done. So there are numerous number of students who are in startups, who are working on top positions of the MNCs. So that is the outcome of the great pedagogy and the great commitment we are having at our department. So this was a brief about the pedagogy. Further, I would like to welcome all the aspirants who are willing to do mechanical engineering. I welcome you all to come and join us. And you come here, you see the things, then you believe it, and then you join us. I ensure a very bright future for you people ahead. Thank you very much.